Hi, this is Ian Matthew, Technical Marketing Manager for Oil and Gas Solutions. I'd like to show you a few of the new features in Autodesk AutoCAD Plant 3D. In this video, I'll take you through the new enhancements to off-page connectors and the addition of Drawing Checker in AutoCAD P&ID. In Plant 3D, we've got a lot of new major ortho drawing improvements, and we've added Volt support for both Plant 3D and P&ID. Let's start by looking at the new off-page connector improvements in AutoCAD P&ID. The first thing you'll notice is a new symbol against the connector. This shows you the state of the connection. In this case, the status is good, although we're missing the connected drawing number being shown in the connector. Let's correct that by opening the properties of the connected drawing, Drawing C. We're currently in Drawing A, and if we open the properties for this drawing, we'll see that the drawing number is A100. Now we'll open the properties for Drawing C. The drawing number is missing, so let's insert C-100 as the drawing number. Click OK, and you notice the connector is updated with the new drawing number. So now, let's minimize the Project Manager pane and the Properties pane. We'll also minimize the Tool palette to give us more drawing area. Hover over the pane to make them come back. And of course, it's always a good idea to save whenever we make changes. Now in this scenario, Drawing A and Drawing C have a connected line, but a change has been made and now the line needs to connect to the line in Drawing B, not C. Select the connector. You'll see it shows that it's connected to Drawing C. Now right-click and select Off-Page Connector, then View Connected. Up pops a dialog showing more information about the connection. To disconnect, we simply connect on the Disconnect Off-Page Connector button in the bottom left. A confirmation box appears. Confirm, and now note that the status symbol has changed to red to signify that this off-page connect is not connected and the tag in the connector has disappeared. So now, let's connect this connector to the one in Drawing B. We click on the grip, click on Connect To, and now we select Drawing B. Now in the Preview pane, we see the connection candidates. The most likely will be at the top of the list. We can pan or zoom in the preview and click on the connectors in the bottom. Select the connector and then OK. Now the status has changed to green, but with a warning symbol. This indicates that there's an inconsistency in the connection, so let's fix it. Now let's open Drawing B to see the Drawing Checker in action. We click on Review Now, and the Drawing Checker notices that there's new text, the drawing number, to be added in the connection, and puts a review cloud around it. I'll click OK and accept the new text. Now let's fix that mismatch. We'll click on the grip and select View Connected. Here any mismatches are highlighted. In this case it's between the specs and the lines in Drawing A and B. We can see the Drawing A information, but we can only change the data in Drawing B. As it's got the wrong spec, I'll choose Accept All, and just as in the Data Manager, we can accept to change the data. Now the connection's good, and the status symbol changes accordingly. If we go back to Drawing A, we can also see that that status is good. Okay, let's take a look at Orthographic Drawings, and there are many new features and improvements. We have the model open here, and I'll click on the Orthographics Drawing tab in Project Manager. You can see that we've got an ortho drawing open as well. So now let's create a new view. Select the models we want in this view, and up comes the familiar ortho cube. First, let's look at the new view selections. You'll see that we now include isometric views as well as the current view. That gives you many possibilities. Let's select a top view for a plan view drawing, and let's look at the new match line feature. Clicking on the hidden line piping button shows you the different options we have available. We also have a new automatic cut pipe symbol feature, which we'll look at later. But now, let's look at another new feature, Add Jog. This feature allows you to create complex jog lines in section views. Simply click on an edge in the ortho cube. We've also added Paper Checker button that helps you check very quickly that the drawing view will fit in the drawing. Yes, it appears that it does. No need to change the scale. Now let's do a top view to adjust the jog. Simply grab the grips until the drawing view is as it should be, and then click on OK in the ribbon to start the drawing process. Place the drawing view in the ortho drawing and the drawing creation process starts. Now you can see the match line annotation around the perimeter, including the jog. Now we'll place an adjacent view so that I can show a few more features. We'll choose a right view. Click OK and place the view. Now let's zoom in to show you the new cut pipe symbol where our jog cuts some piping. Now let's pan over to another part of the drawing and I'll show you the new pipe gap tool. Here I want to show piping hidden behind a pipe. Simply select the pipe and then move the grips to create the gapped area. And now update the view, and there we are. Now, let's take a look at how Plant 3D and P&ID integrates with Vault. Let's start with opening a project already in Vault. Select the Open from Vault option in Project Manager, and this asks us to log into Vault. We'll open this Vault sample project. The process requires the project to be copied from Vault to your local workspace. At the same time, any files in your workspace will be synchronized with Vault. While this is happening, notice the safe symbol alongside the project name in Project Manager. This denotes that it's a Vault project. Next, we want to work on a drawing. Notice the new open symbol alongside the drawing number. This shows us the status of the drawing. Let's check out this drawing, and when the drawing opens, notice how the symbols change to a check symbol to denote the drawing is checked out to you. Now we can work on the drawing as normal. When we're done, we need to check the drawing back into Vault. One way to do this is by selecting the Vault ribbon and clicking on the Check In button. Notice the symbol changes against the drawing in the Project Manager. There. If I choose to log out of Vault, as I've done here, note that the safe symbol changes to show that I'm no longer in Vault. You can view a more complete Vault video here, as well as other videos about the new ortho drawing features. Thank you for watching.